In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom module in Zoho CRM. Creating a custom module is a great way to tailor Zoho to your business, so you can track exactly the kind of records you care about, rather than forcing everything into the standard modules. Let's walk through the process from start to finish. First, we need to open the module builder. From your Zoho CRM home screen, look toward the top right and click on the gear icon, which opens the setup area. This is where all your configuration options live. In the Setup menu, find the section labeled Customization and then choose Modules and Fields. This page shows you all the existing modules in your CRM. To add a new one, look for the option that says Create New Module and click on it. That will open the Module Builder interface. Next, we'll name the module. Zoho asks for two versions of the name, the plural and the singular. The plural is how it will appear in the main navigation, like projects or contracts, and the singular is how it will show up when you're working with just one record, like project or contract. Take a moment to choose names that make sense to your team, because you'll see these labels everywhere in the system. Once you've entered both the plural and singular names, click Save to confirm. Now we can design the layout of the module. On the left side of the screen, you'll see different field types such as text, number, date, pick list, and more. Simply drag and drop the field types you need from the left panel onto the main canvas area. Arrange them in a logical order so it's easy for your team to fill out records later. After you add a field, hover over it and click the small gear icon that appears. Then choose Edit Properties. Here you can configure whether the field is mandatory, unique, or has default values. Making key fields mandatory is important for keeping your data complete and consistent. When you're happy with the layout and properties, click Save and Close. Finally, we'll set who can access this new module. You'll see a list of profiles, which represent different user roles or permission groups in your CRM. Select the profiles that should be able to see and use this module. For each profile, you can toggle permissions for viewing, creating, editing, and deleting records. Adjust these based on each team's responsibilities and your data security needs. When you've finished configuring permissions, click Save. Your custom module is now ready to use in Zoho CRM.